what is the importance of having fun friendships and friendships organized around deliberate fun?
Yeah, so I really am standing on the shoulders of giants there, right? We now know that loneliness really has a direct line, not just to psychological ailments, but physiological ailments as well, right? It sounds like you've looked at that phenomena already in previous podcasts. And so the idea of connecting with people that do bring you joy becomes extremely important. And so, especially coming out of the pandemic, so many of us have habituated our lives in a way that we haven't prioritized those friendships. And so making sure that you're connecting with at least an intimate group of folks that really will sort of, again, through these acts of social contagion, invite joy into your life becomes important. And so I think for so many of us, we just let that go. This invitation to make sure that you're connecting with folks that when you are with them, you guys all smile, right? Because this stuff is infectious and becomes, again, this upward spiral. And so within that chapter, there's some hints and tips how to do that. And especially for folks that might be in a new area, ways to use things like meetup.com or affinity groups or things of that nature to just get out there and make new friends, especially if you're in a place like I talk about how we moved from California to North Carolina and had to reestablish that. And so sometimes you can sit on your hands and just go, okay, well, hopefully it comes to me. But I think that there is some credence in trying, even if you're a little bit shy, like myself, I tend to be a little bit socially awkward, to go out there and connect with folks that do just make you feel like life is worth living.